5 things to do every day for success. 1. Set goals. 2. Practice time management. 3. Continuous learning. 4. Maintain healthy habits. 5. Network and connect.
To do this type of amazing talking AI avatars, you will need 3 things. First one, we need a character with front view. The second one we need is text or script. Third thing, mouth animations and expressions. Go to google.com and type Lexica. We go to the site lexica.art. Here we have a lot of images that this site suggests us. But I go for generate option to search for an image of my project. We need to log into this site first. Here I select continue with Google. Now describe your image for the search result. Hit on generate. Here I select this image and hit on download. Now the second option, go to google.com and type Studio D AI. Then hit on the site URL. Go to create video. Here I want to add the downloaded image. So hit on add. Select the image and hit it open. Now we need some text or script. So again go to google.com and search for ChatGPT. Here hit on this site. Go to product option and hit on ChatGPT. Hit on try on web option below. Hit on the login option. Continue with Google. Login with your Google account. Now I type like this. Here on this website, ChatGPT I create our text like this. Now we can copy and paste the content to a notepad like this.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Then copy the whole text from a notepad and paste it here. We can also change languages. Here I select English India. Voice over by a male, Prabhat, and hit on generating video. Again hit on generate. We have successfully generated our video. Now hit on download. Now we can use this video for YouTube Shorts or Insta Reels.
5 things to do every day for success. 1. Set goals. 2. Practice time management. 3. Continuous learning. 4. Maintain healthy habits. 5. Network and connect.